Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Telegram bot for trading. First, open Telegram and search for bot father. Send the /newbot command and follow the prompts to name your bot and get its API token. This token is crucial for connecting your bot to the Telegram API. Next, you'll need to set up your development environment, perhaps using Python, to start writing the bot's code. This initial setup is the foundation for your automated trading assistant. Now, let's focus on the bot's intelligence. Your bot needs a clear trading strategy, outlining when to buy or sell. You'll integrate with a trading platform's API to access real-time market data and execute trades. For example, you might use a platform that offers a robust API. On the Telegram side, a library such as Python Telegram bot simplifies handling user commands and sending messages, making interactions smooth and efficient. This is where your bot truly comes alive. Before going live, rigorous testing is essential. Test your bot strategy using historical market data in a simulated environment to ensure it performs as expected without risking real capital. Once confident, deploy your bot on a stable server, like a cloud platform, to ensure it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Don't forget to build in robust error handling and logging to monitor its performance and quickly address any issues. Security is paramount for a trading bot. Always protect your API keys and other sensitive data by storing them securely, perhaps using environment variables, never directly in your code. Regularly update your bot's code and its dependencies to patch any vulnerabilities and ensure optimal performance. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Continuous monitoring and maintenance are key to a successful and secure automated trading experience over the long term.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.